Welcome back. So today's topic is for grade 12 students when appropriations are more than the available profit. What is to be done? Let's take an example. A and B are partners. A will be getting salary of 1 lakh. B will be getting salary of 1 lakh 20,000. Interest on capital for A is 20,000. For B is 40,000. So total amount which A will be getting is 1 lakh 20,000 and the B will be getting 1 lakh 60,000. Suppose profit sharing ratio is equal. The total amount which the company has to pay to the partner is 2,80,000, but the available profit is 2,10,000. So available profit is less than the amount of appropriation. So what is to be done? This amount will be divided in the ratio of appropriation and not in the ratio of their profit sharing ratio, which is equal. Okay, so ratio of appropriation is 1,20,000 is to 1,60,000. This is 3:4. So out of this available profit 2,10,000, A will be getting 3/7 share and B will be getting 4/7 share, which is 90,000 and 1,20,000. So you have understood, when appropriations are more than the available profit, then the amount of profit will be distributed in the ratio of the appropriation and not in the profit sharing ratio. Thank you.